Jano. Bounty Killer is one of the firstest smarty. As we step off and clear and reach outside, so before the picture even take with the welcome to New York, sir, this respectable icon, living legend right here get a call from me. And this man here, no busy signal. I see busy signal when we used to the Americans and the youth. Serious youth still, and a rampant youth. So when we reach Jamaica natural music and everything, there's no bad comment or bad energy or negative feel or any discouragement. He said, youth around here and you're trying to youth.
Give thanks to everybody in the house. Blessed evening, you don't know. It's a wonderful moment. Brother busy in the world once again. You see? That just goes to show that just still at the boss. You see? Babylon, quiet. The world is on every time. You don't know. So big up to busy family. You don't know. Mama and brother and sister and papa and cousin and uncle and niece and you don't know. The whole third family. The Pepsi team. And the whole gathering here tonight. You see? It's a awful situation. You don't know. You can't travel to your family and your fans. But you see when just say, rise, enemy scatter. This right now, everything Pepsi, sex, turf them out. Want to them. World we say, and we think peace. Keep them peace.
Respect Godzilla, grown Godzilla. One Bounty Killer in the world. One Uno Bounty Killer in the hurt. One general in the hurt. I will not talk about the army general. One. See? Yeah. Yes, man. Sugar fresh from me all again in Jamaica. I'm playing for the normal speed too. Yeah. Hey. I bless you.